Good mornings to all of you. So, today's lecture related to important questions to be asked in your university exams related to ergonomics and industrial safety. So, I have written here four questions. First of all, I will read these questions, and after that, I will give some hints to you. Accordingly, you can prepare answer of these questions. First questions: explain in brief about types of display and controls. Now, second question: write a short notes on design of workplace. Third question: what is anthropometry? Explain in brief about it. Fourth question: what do you know about? Under these 2 points are there. First point: Minimum Wages Act, and B, Employees State Insurance Act. So let us consider first question, some hints. So in this first question, having certain basic man-machine system. Man-machine system means man has to operate the machines, and in the machines, again here two types. One is the mechanicals, that is done by the machines, every works and operated by mans. Automatics, that is everything that is done by machines, only on off and acceptancy rejectancy, that part is only in hands of workers. So this is about the man machine system. But while operating these machines, we required the devices. So that device is nothing but this our display. So related to the display, it has been classified to number of way, but under these following points, measures display has been classified. First one is visual display, which can see by our naked eyes. Under this, quantitative displays, their quantity means that display we can measure in terms of unit. For example, temperature unit is there, speed kilometers per hour is there. Under this again points are there. First, that is fixed scale display, means a scale that is fixed and pointer is moving. So here speedometer is there, one example. Then moving scales with fixed pointers. If you want to measure the weight of the component, we need this type of display. Then digital display means numerical value you will have to see on the display. Petrol pump machines, this is one of the example of this display. Then qualitative display means here everything is depends upon quality, change of directions, acceptance or rejectancy. This type of display is there. Then auditorium display means audibles things will be there, means sound should be there, firefighting equipments. So when we can use this type of display, when emergency is there, and if you want to pass the message immediately, we can use this type of display. Then control devices are there, through which immediate actions that is initiated by the operators. So types of control devices are as below: hand levers, hand wheel is there, crank, knobs, push button, pull buttons, then foot pedal is there, then joystick, which is used in computers. So this type of displays are there. Now next thing is there, that is the workplace designs. So if you want to make one assembly, that is the particular workplace. Now while designing the workplace, which points we will have to consider? First point is there, right material, right tools, and right place and right person should be there. Means everything is right. If you want to do the assembly, there should be a right type of material, right types of tools there, right place should be there. Okay, for example, nut and bolt assembly is there, one side bolt, one side nut should be there, while tightening spanner should be there. for putting this component, table should be there, chair should be there. So it is like this way. Locations, and locations means which side material should be there, which side tool should be there, and as per the use of the tools and material there should be sequence. Then third point is that while making the assembly there should be use of two hands. So optimum use of two hands while making the assembly, accordingly you can design the workplace. Now next point is there's make use of gravity to supply the materials to the workplace, accordingly you can decide the workplace. Then comfortably height of chair, tables, make use of flat, rest and sitting proper arrangement and working conditions. So this is about the workplace designs, and the area of the workplace as per the length of the hands around 2 to 4 mm should be there, and maximum use of both hands within that particular area. Accordingly you can, so there should be diagrams for workplace and you can show that diagrams. Now next is there related to anthropometry. Now it is actually related to measurement of dimensions or characteristic of the human beings, center of gravity, height, weight, all these dimensions need to measures. It has been classified into two types, that is static conditions means in fixed condition, dynamic conditions mean moving condition. Main importance of this, while designing any chair, table, etc., we need the height and weights, so that how much weight that chair will sustain, how much that working area actually requires for particular man's. Accordingly the workplace need to design. So this measurement actually gets through this anthropometry. Now next part is there, that is the minimum wages systems. The minimum wages system, under this it was actually act established in 1948 to prevent the exploitations of laborers through the payment of low wages. Now payments of minimum wages under this, first is wages in kinds, means it should be in cash, even though central governments or state governments they will decide this wages system wholly and totally. Next is their payment should be, or payment should not be below the minimum wages which is decided by the government every year. Then fix normal working hours along with a recess period should be there. There should be holiday in a week. Payments should be provided to workers after 7 days. There should not be more working times, even though if you provide working times, the similar amount need to pay to that workers. Due to the any problems, these workers are in the premises of company but not doing the works, under that situations you can give the payments as per the minimum wages act. And there should be holidays, and there should not be any piece rate systems under this act. Now next act is there, this is not actually act but it is actually insurance. The Employees State Insurance Act is there. This is also established in 1948. It is actually social security scheme for the employees. Under this scheme, each and every employees make their registrations under this system. The major benefits of these systems: medical benefit to him and his dependents. Also, those are qualified but even they are not getting jobs under these schemes, they will provide certain contingency amounts. Then for women's workers, maternity benefits that will be provided, and the whatever the amount actually you will get through this employees state insurance, that amount actually get from the central government, state government, as well as share made by the employees and employers. So this is about the importance questions to be asked in your exams. Apart from this, you can also go through the accident, definition of accident, causes of accident, prevention of the accidents. So with this important questions, video lecture is over.